To adjust the chain tension, locate the two bar nuts on the side of your chainsaw. Use the scrunch tool to loosen them up a bit. Now, it's time to adjust the tension. Turn the tensioning screw clockwise to tighten the chain, or counterclockwise to loosen it, until it sits snugly on the guide bar. Remember, just snug, not too tight. Give the chain a gentle tug. It should move freely, but not sag away from the guide bar. Once your chain is properly adjusted, tighten those bar nuts back up. Make sure they're snug, but not over-tightened. See, adjusting your chainsaw chain isn't as daunting as it may seem. It's an essential skill for any chainsaw owner, and with a little practice, you'll be a pro at it in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more us. Until next time, take care, and happy sawing.